Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your Apple ID on your iPhone. Sometimes you might need your Apple ID to sign in, change settings, or download something, but you just can't remember it. Don't worry, it's actually very easy to find. If this video helps you, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel to support us. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Right at the top of the screen, you'll see your name. Tap on it. Now, underneath your name, there's an email address, and that's your Apple ID. Simple as that, but there's also another way to check it. If you go back to your home screen and open the App Store, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on it, and again, you'll see your name and your Apple ID email right there. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your Apple ID on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.